Hello guys, it's Andrew from AAA Reviews and welcome to my FB Masters Program review. In this review I'll be going through what the course is about, upsells, downsells, the demo video of the members area, my thoughts on the product, and also my amazing bonuses which I've been able to put together for you guys, for people who decide to buy through my link which will be down in the description. So before we get any further into this review, I want us to have a look at the bonuses that I've put together for you guys. And starting with the first one, it's how to explode your profits with backend offers. So this will basically teach you, it's a tutorial that will teach you how to maximize your profits with the use of backend offers in your business. Okay, the second one is how to grow your personal brand. So it's exclusive secrets on how you can grow your personal brand and profit from it. So with the use of Facebook ads, which will be taught in the course, the FB Masters program, when you combine that with your personal brand, you'll be able to see some amazing results. Because if you can do this for your business, combine the personal branding together with the Facebook advertisements, you'll be able to see some amazing progress and amazing results. The third bonus is mastering social media traffic streams. So this generally goes above and beyond what has been taught in this course, because what is being taught in this course is mostly Facebook. So in this tutorial you'll be able to see how you can benefit much more from other social media networks and how you'll be able to profit from them altogether. Okay, so I've put together for these bonuses for you guys to be able to help you in your endeavors as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, that you'll be able to profit as much as possible and to be as helpful as possible. Okay, so the fourth bonus is discover how to start profiting from Bing ads campaigns. So this is also another Bing ads is also another network that has been widely neglected by a lot of people, but most of the people who use it are really seeing some amazing results once you know how to use it, because you'll be able to get some cheap traffic from Bing ads, and it's really useful for people who have mastered it. And in this tutorial I'll teach you how to master Bing ads and how you can start profiting from Bing ads for your business and for yourself. Okay, so into the review itself, what exactly does the course offer? So how to create the perfect funnel that converts FB traffic like crazy, how to move cold to warm to hot, how to move traffic from cold to warm to hot, how to remarket Facebook traffic to your opt-in pages, affiliate sales pages, and even upsells and high ticket offers, how to create the 7 most effective Facebook ads, how to optimize any campaign for maximum performance, how to keep Mark Zuckerberg happy and keep his compliance team off your back. Yeah, sounds interesting. How to find the key interest in any niche and then cross-sell them together. Okay, how to spy on your competitors' pages and ethically steal their demographics. Also, this is very key when you get into business. One thing you hear a lot of successful people saying is, don't reinvent the wheel. You just look at what the successful people are doing and you just model your business in the same way, and you're not copying but just modeling it. So that's ethically stealing their demographics. Okay, how to use the Facebook pixel to capture custom audiences on autopilot. Those of you who don't know what the Facebook pixel is, it's how you're able to track your clicks or your traffic to your site or to your business's site. So you'll be able to know how many people are coming in, what page they spend most time on, okay, what time is the average time spent on your site, and so on. So this helps you know much more have much more clearer statistics to help you improve in your business. Okay, so here we have some income proofs from JayKay Dowdall, which are sales of one of my products exclusively from Facebook marketing. Alright, so gross volume, you have some 42,000, okay, some customers and so on. Gross revenue, another $15,000. So this is the complete blueprint, the complete blueprint that has JK to get his results. We are going to be learning in the Facebook Masters program. We are going to be learning how JK is able to get these kinds of sales and these kinds of income using the strategies and the advertising that is going to teach you using Facebook. That is using Facebook. Okay. So what does this entail in general life? What is inside this course? So it's a step-by-step simplified training on how you can become an FB marketing master within a short period of time. In-depth training on how you can get started with Facebook marketing even as a complete newbie, because you're going to be taken step by step into the introduction. The training itself consists of 6 modules. There's the beginner and so on, going on deeper into the course. So it benefits a beginner. It also benefits an intermediate who has been in the marketing game and wants to up his game and scale his business. It helps you understand sales funnels and traffic funnels and how to set them up. So contains ad images, ad copies, landing pages to help you with your marketing. For me, this is one of the light bulb moments in this course, because ad images, ad copies, landing pages to help you with your marketing. Some of the courses you get, they don't go so much into detail. They don't go so much into delivering such kind of value, because these ad images will help you know what works, what has been proven to work. That's what he provides you with. Ad copies that will work, so you just choose which one you think will work for you. You just tweak it a little bit and you have your copy set. So training on how to tweak and optimize your ads for scaling and maximum profits. So you will be able to tweak your ads and optimize your ads to secure some much more profits. Alright, so here we have a short demo video that I want to show you guys. It will be showing you the members area of how you'll be able to what you'll be able to get once you get FB Masters program. So I'm going to show you the members area, which is a video I got access to by JayKay Dowdall, because we are partnering in this launch, and hope you'll find it helpful. So let's get into it, guys.
Masters program. I want to give you a little walk through the members area, because there's so much content in here. It actually really helps to kind of break it down here and show you everything that's been put into this course. So we've got 6 different modules over here. This is built in ClickFunnels, nice clean look for your subscribers. In module 1 we have an explanation of getting started. So we're going to talk about why you should use Facebook ads, how Facebook ads actually work. There's a lot that goes into that people don't really know about. There's 7 elements I talk about through the rest of the modules here. There's also a worksheet and review at the end of every module. So there's actually a little assessment of things that they can do, a little action plan that they can put together, and also make sure that we put together all the content in here into basically a little cheat sheet and checklist to cover everything that we've talked about in these videos. We also have a module here on sales funnels. We'll talk about cold, warm, and hot traffic, the differences between that, what I call my perfect funnel, so taking a cold subscriber all the way to a customer worth over $500. We're going to go through and talk about the landing page. We're going to talk about that from traffic and sales perspectives, also a worksheet at the end here. Module 3 is just enormous. We have all these videos about the different types of creatives you can put into your Facebook ads. So image ads, we're going to go through a theory breakdown, the different types of image ads, why you would choose one over the other, and then I'm actually going to give them a walkthrough of how to design an image, how to put it into these different types of image ads. We do the same thing for videos, same thing for text and journey based ads, and the same thing for visual journey ads, which are carousel style ads. There's also 2 videos here about ad copy, because that's so important. It's not something a lot of people really understand about. And then we talk about creative compliance and landing page compliance. There's a lot of myths out there about things that you're not allowed to include in your Facebook creatives. Some of them are true, some of them are just that, they're myths. So we're going to talk about that in these videos. Again, another worksheet and review here. Down here we've got an introduction to ad sets and audiences. We go through and talk about different types of demographics and interest targeting. There's a demo where I'll show your subscribers how I actually put together my interest targeting, the Facebook Pixel custom audiences. This is a great one. It shows how to put together all different types of retargeting custom audiences. Lookalike audiences, another worksheet. Then we've got traffic funnels down here. This is an introduction there. This is basically retargeting. So I'm going to show your subscribers how to move from cold to warm, warm to hot, and then how to upsell customers once they're hot by using just the power of Facebook ads, another worksheet. And then our final module here, we have an introduction to tweaking and optimizing. We go through optimizing for the different engagements, different objectives that we can put together with Facebook ads. So in the entire course, we talk only about 4 different objectives because they're the most valuable that you can use. And then we also talk about some advanced optimization techniques as well. So all in all, there's about 45 videos here, and I'm still uploading new videos to the members area, and there's actually just under 13 hours of content in here. And let's just take a look at, say, practical image ads. This is one of my favorite videos I put together, almost a 30-minute video explaining how to put together the proper type of image ad. And they're not just getting a video, they're actually getting full resources here. So I'm going to give them links to free software they can go and use to design a great looking image ad. There's also stock photography websites they can use which are totally free as well. The text overlay tool to make sure that there's not too much text in their image. PDFs of the actual presentation itself. I mean, they're getting a bunch of stuff in every one of these little segments. So like I said, 13 hours of content in here. This is the most extensive Facebook training that I've ever seen, and I'm giving it away during that launch week for $12.95. Make sure you check out the JV content.
Okay, alright, so now we get back into the OTOs. Let's have a look at the OTOs. We have the front end offer, which is a $12.95 package, but at the moment I think it's going for about $16. You'll just have to check that out because I've checked out the sales page and it's saying $16. I'm not pretty sure, but anyway, for the price, $12 or $16, it's still a discounted price and a good deal for us all, because I'm also thinking of getting this course. If I do, I'll be letting you guys know. I'll be letting you guys know how it has gone and my progress and so on. Okay, so check out for that video. Also, the price will be going up to around $497. That is after May 25th. That is what I've been notified by JayKay. Okay, so the first upsell is a $27 per month package, which is Social Success Academy. Monthly access to the Social Success Academy Facebook group, continued updates to the Facebook Masters program, that is Instagram, local consulting services and so on, bi-weekly streaming workshops and campaign review and more. Okay, so that's $27 per month, and the downsell to that is a $1 7-day trial, which I would highly recommend. If you're considering the first upsell, you could as well start with a $1 7-day trial and see if it's for you, if it works for you. If not, you can cancel at any time. Okay, so the second upsell is $47 done for you Facebook ad images, over 100 images optimized for Facebook ads in a done for you package. Just add your text over top using our recommended free software. Every image set up in less than 2 minutes. So this is for guys who are kind of busy or don't want to get into the details of setting up your own ad copy or ad image. So you'll be able to get done for you Facebook ad images. You just have to add some simple text on your own, which will take you less than 2 minutes, and you have your ad up and running. The downsell to that is a $37 downsell, which I don't think has anything taken out of the upsell, and I would really recommend you guys check out the downsell if you're considering this. It will save you some $10. The third upsell is a $497 FB bootcamp. So for $497, you'll get assessments, assignments, and personal feedback as the student goes through each module of the course. There is the downsell to that, which is a $197 downsell. I'm not sure if there is anything that has been taken out of this, but for $197, I think it will be a bit limiting. But I'm not sure about that. Anyway, so that's about it for the upsells and downsells. If you're considering it, I'll really recommend the front end product is more than enough for you, especially if you're a newbie and you're just looking to get started. The first upsell, the front end product is more than enough for you starting off. You can upgrade to the first upsell later on to get access to the Social Success Academy Facebook group, where you'll be able to get answers and talk to and connect and talk to people who have who are doing this and are in this journey as well, and to help you grow yourself. So okay, that's about it for the upsells. So my thoughts on this program. What are my thoughts on FB Masters program? It is a simplified and in-depth training on how to master Facebook marketing, taught by someone who has done it himself. Before I buy a course, guys, and I think this should be most of you, because out here there are a lot of shiny objects that are promising to get you rich and promising to deliver the results, but to your dismay you find out that it's just a bunch of outdated stuff inside the course, or a lot of stuff has been left out in the course. So I really look at who the product owner is, or the product creator is. If it's someone who is doing it currently and getting results from the method, then I'm much more inclined to buy from them rather than from someone who did it some years back, like 10 years ago, or someone who is not currently doing it. It is of relevance to any internet marketer in general. Facebook marketing is of relevance to a lot of fields. You can do this for your personal brand, affiliate marketers, e-commerce stores, email marketers, social media marketers, internet consultants, business owners, companies, and so on. It is beginner friendly, therefore any newbie can get started with it. Yes, that's very true. At the current price it is very much a steal, but once it gets to the $497 price range, then it faces stiff competition from other products which have been known to get results with features like one-on-one coaching. So guys, at the moment it will be really unfair to say there is something wrong with the course, to be honest with you, but looking at the price range and the value you are getting, it's whatever you're getting, the value precedes the mistakes or anything that has been left out. The value you get itself for $12 or for $16, whichever the price may be, it will be much much better. But when it gets to the $497 price range, then there we can talk about what has been left out, what is not in the course, and is it really worth $497. Okay, so that's it for today, guys, and that's it for this video. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like, comment down below if you have any questions, you would like any clearance on any matter. Also, don't forget, if you buy through the link which will be down in the description, I'll be sending over the bonuses to you right away. Just shoot me an email with your receipt and I'll be able to send the bonuses over to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like some more videos, some more review videos, because on this channel I do review videos each and every day. So please don't forget to check them out and check out other previous videos that I've been doing. And that's it for today, guys. Have a blessed, that's it. Cheers.